welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about Boxycharm July, and I'm pretty excited because I got some really good items in my July box, which I'm really excited to talk about in this video. So that's why I have a bare face. Alright, so this is my box for July, and the card says sunshine, which is perfect for this heat wave we are having in New York. And the variation I have is variation 29, if you can see that. But yes, my variation is 29. So let's dig in, because like I said previous, there are some really good things in this box. So all the information, like how much my box weighs, the price of each item will be listed somewhere here. So the first thing is the Clean Skin Club. This was my choice for July. This is my one choice. And this is a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extract came together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brighten booster brightens the complexion, glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce the appearance of aging, which is amazing. So I kind of cheated. I've been using this for the last 3 days, and in just 3 days I've seen a huge difference in my skin. I'm going to show you the consistency, how it feels, and what it smells like. So let me see if you guys could get a good look. So this is just one drop, and you can see with one drop it's very thick. This might trigger a few people, but it's very slimy, like the inside of an aloe vera plant. But it goes in smooth, and you feel your skin being your skin absorbing the product, and it just leaves a little enough tackiness. So if you want to do your foundation right on top, you absolutely can. So how I've been using it is I use 3 drops for my entire face and then 1 for my forehead. And the smell, you do smell the watermelon and the green tea, but it's not as strong as other fragrance product that you smell the watermelon right away. No, it's a very subtle smell of the watermelon, pineapple, and green tea, and my skin has been glowing, no irritation, which I'm super happy about because a lot of things break me out. So the next item is the Studio Makeup Cream Eyeshadow. I was upset because I wanted the Hourglass pressed glitter, but that's fine because I got one from Mellow Cosmetics and I still got an eyeshadow. So this is what it looks like. You can see it's hard to tell with all these lights I have on. I'm gonna show you the glitter. It is very soft. You could build it up. I have not yet used this, but I will use it in today's video. What I like about it is once it dries, you could probably reapply more to get an intense glitter. So that's what I'm gonna do later in the video once I try this out. Again, I was upset because I didn't get my Hourglass, but I did get a glitter cream eyeshadow, so it's pretty cool. The next item is Ace of Beauty bronzer palette. Now I was super happy to get this because this is one of the products I was wishing, like, oh my god, please let me get the Ace of Beauty bronzer palette Paradise, because homegirl needed a not blush, I have tons of blush, bronzer, and these are the colors. It has a great mirror, so if you are on the run, you can just pop that in and use the mirror. So it ranges from light to dark, and you could use these. A lot of skin tones could use these colors, which I'm pretty happy about, because normally when they give me like a blush or a bronzer, it's either too dark or too light for me, but this is a great range for myself and for anybody who gets the bronzer. And this is a Bronze in Paradise palette as an addition to much loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzers shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look, and I hope it does give me a nice sun-kiss, because if this one's too light for me, I could go to this one. If this one is too orange, I could mix these two or mix this one and this one. So let's see. The next item on my Boxycharm is Alamar Cosmetic. This is the Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. This is my first Alamar Cosmetic product. It's a nudie pink color. And this is a cosmetic celebrating their 2-year anniversary by wearing their birthday suit, wink wink. And you know, it's supposed to be a gorgeous diamond dripped gloss. Alright, so let's see. Ooh, it sounds thick. It has some shimmers to it. Let me show you. So this is the gloss. It has some shimmer to it. It has some purples and pink gloss in it, and a little bit of blue. I'm excited to try this. And like I said, it's my first time having an Alamar cosmetic, and I heard really good reviews about them. And lastly is the Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleanser. With this Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Eraser, you can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water. Reusable and washable. I needed this. I've always wanted to get one, and I'm always using one brush for two colors most of the time. So I'm glad I got this and I could try it out. So if I'm doing an eyeshadow, I could just use this instead of wiping it on my pants or shirt, whatever's nearby. So I'm pretty excited to have this. So I am going to jump in the video, do my face, and then have you guys come back once I am ready to use a product in the Boxycharm. So using the Too Faced Razzle Dazzle eyeshadow palette that I got in my TJ Maxx shopping haul I did the other day, I'm going to use these colors and test out the Lavish eyeshadow brush. I'm going in with this brush. It looks dirty, so I'm wiping it off. I'm testing it out right now. I'm going to go in with this color. It is Bad to the Berry. That's cute. So let's dig in. And let's see if it actually works, okay? Okay, so this actually worked. I wanted to really test it out, so I used the same brush for 3 colors. And then I thought I was recording when I was doing the underneath my brow bone and a little bit in my inner corner, but that's fine. Now I'm gonna go in with the Studio Makeup Cream Glitter, and I really want to see how this glitter performs. I'm gonna put one layer and let it dry to see how buildable it is, because I know sometimes you could want a soft glitter, or sometimes you want that really intense disco ball. I'm all for a disco ball always, but let's see how one layer goes and then if we could keep layering it up. Okay, so that's just one layer. It's pretty nice. It does give you an intense glitter look. So I'm happy with that. I'm just gonna let this dry, put a second layer to see how intense. And I've washed my hands and look, this glitter is not moving. So once it's dry, it stays put, which is amazing. You don't have to worry about fallout. You don't have to worry about clumping up. Like with me, once I'm tired, my eyes get watery, and I always get like a clump of glitter there. So I would like to know if this doesn't clump up, because then maybe I'll get it. But this does retail for $42, I believe. I don't think I'm gonna pay $42 for this. But right now, what I'm feeling is kind of irritates me a little bit. I feel like a little, I don't want to say burning sensation, but it feels, I don't know, it feels tingly. Does this have alcohol? Because if this has alcohol, then I won't be able to use this. And the shade is SCS11 pink, or maybe just pink. I don't know. If I'm allergic to this, then I will give this to my sister, who she could use this. But right now, I'm feeling this real weird tingly sensation. Okay, so I put a second layer on. And again, once it's wet, I feel this weird tingly sensation, like kind of minty, I don't know. But while I was applying it, it was taking off the previous glitter, the first layer I put. So I don't know if this is, I think it will be best as a topper, not as if you want glitter. I don't know how I feel about this. And like that weird sensation I'm feeling, knowing my eyes, I'll probably be irritated. My eyes will be bloodshot red, like someone punched me. So I probably will give this to my sister. I'll disinfect it and give it to her. So that's a bust for me. Okay, so I had to wipe, or try to wipe off the glitter as much as possible. And on top, I used my Metal Cosmetics in Rose Gold to put on top. And I've been using it again for 2 days, trying it out. And I like that, so I'm gonna continue using that, or using my Ace of Beauty pressed glitter that I also really do enjoy, because that glitter is like really irritating my eyes, and right now they're like becoming watery. Alright, so now for the fun part, my most exciting product. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. So I think the first one's gonna be too light for me, but let's see. And I saw videos where they said that a little bit goes a long way, so I'm really getting rid of all the excess. Oh, that's about it. Yeah, the second shade is my color. Now, if I wanted to carve out and like have a deep contour, I'll probably go with this one. But for right now, this one is doing great for me. Because the bronzers I had before were too orange for me. And this is giving me just a slight sun kiss that I want, as it said in the description. I think that's pretty good, and it blends out pretty well. Me, I'm all about blending. A little bit goes a long way, and I don't want to go in and look like, ooh girl, who are you trying to cut with those cheeks now? I'm just trying to be subtle. I really like that. I'm gonna go in with this one just because maybe I should change brushes. Maybe a bigger brush like that to really blend. Oh, just with the lightest touch. If you take, I think what I'm gonna do is take this one for the higher part of my face, and then take the lighter one to blend everything out, because I am liking how that looks. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with blush. I'm gonna go with Milani Dulce Pink, and I want to go something with a little shimmer, so I won't use highlight today. Cause I know right after this video is done, I'm washing my face. My eyes are on fire. Just a slight, because it is so hot in New York, my cheeks are naturally turning pink, so I don't need a lot of blush, just a little, and that is it. And then lastly, I'm gonna go with my lips. Okay, and for lips, I went with Kat Von D or KVD in the color Mother in their liquid lipsticks. I am one who still enjoy liquid lipsticks. I prefer it because if I don't have a liquid lipstick, my lipstick would disappear. And then again, I can always top it with a lip gloss and I'll be done. So now my last item in the box is the Alamar lip gloss in the color 142. Oh no, birthday suit. That's right, their 2-year anniversary birthday suit. It smells heaven. It smells very sweet. It smells like a birthday cake, legit. It's a thick lip gloss, but it's not a sticky one where like I could talk and my lips doesn't feel like they're sticking together and creating that nasty lip gloss baba, like drool look. I don't know. That looks very nice. And that completes my Boxycharm for July. So the 2 items I am really happy with is the Ace of Beauty and the Clean Skincare Club. The lip gloss I will enjoy as well. I could throw it on any lipstick like I just did. The glitter unfortunately was not good for me. I mean, maybe it's just me, maybe my eyes are super sensitive and I can't use this glitter, because in the past I have had glitters that actually have irritated me in the past. If the Studio Makeup cream eyeshadow irritate you, please let me know in the comments below. But yeah. Oh, and I also do like the the lavish brush cleaner. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this because A, I hate cleaning my brushes, but it must be done. B, it helps you stretch the brushing cleaning time with this, so I'll be enjoying that. And the total cost of my entire box will be right here. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.